Alright, in this video we're going to spend a couple of minutes at the beginning of our coding, just finishing up a step on the IAM side, which is to register our application on the IAM server. And this is the missing link to tie everything together so that when somebody logs in and gets authenticated through IAM, then they can get passed in to actually use the application. The output of this is going to be an application ID and application secret that we will then put into our code that will be part of the application that we use to communicate back and forth. So in the IAM admin section, we're in the documentation. So IAM management and manage applications. I'll let you read through this. It's all really very straightforward. We'll go through and do it right now. But anyway, the output of it all is going to be this application ID and secret that we're going to need. So, okay, let's switch over to IAM admin. We're on the dashboard, and right here it says registered applications blank. So we are going to manage. Yep, I rebooted the server. Let's log in again. Okay, so again, dashboard, registered applications. We want to manage applications, no results found. Let's create an application. Now, you see here we got a server-side application and a single-page application. The documentation explains why we're going to choose one or the other. We are doing a server-side application, and the application name is going to be Node Demo, and the homepage URL, https://localhost:3002, right? This is an application that is running locally on our workstation in Visual Studio Code, or essentially Node.js on the local computer. So that's why we're putting that URL. The callback URL, localhost:3002/cd. Again, this is all straight out of the documentation, and this is a IAM demo app using node-demo db in notes. Okay, and we do want to do Domino database access. The functional ID cn equals app1, comma o equals c3ug in my case. We're going to hit save. It was created. That's all good. Now we go over to the scopes side of things. And if we edit, we can choose to add. So this is the scopes, right? So this was where we were talking before about, being able to do reads against the free busy time, the calendar read and write. Obviously, we're not doing that offline. I mean, we don't have a demo of that, but just for fun, let's go ahead and do it, and we can say save. Okay, and now out of all of this we get our application ID and our application secret, and this is all ugly and yucky, but the good news is that we can do copy and paste this time. So we need to have somewhere where we can just store this. Let's get our handy dandy little text editor out and paste, and just hold on to that until we get to our code. All right, and if we go back to our dashboard, we can see now that we have a registered application. All of this stuff is good to go. So nothing else to do here. Let's take a quick pause. We'll jump into the code next, and I'll show you exactly where we're going to use the application ID and the application secret.